Rebel Gardener here. Yes, I have been rewatching the Star Wars movies, and no, there are no more references after the intro. This video is about my potato harvest this year. I harvested 5 different times over a 5-week period. At the end of the video, I've summarized all the weights, how much each I got from each, because I planted like 3 different types, and the total. I also discuss or make notes to myself about I didn't get the expected results, and I think I know why. I listed those out. If you're watching and you're interested, go to the end, read that, tell me what you think, give me some feedback, because I mean, right now it's just an experiment. So that's it. Let's get to the video. Okay, we're going to start harvesting some potatoes, but we're going to stick with the vines that are basically all dead. This first one that I'm going to do is in the russet potato row. We'll see if it actually is a russet. Yikes. Yes, it is. Oh, that one got eaten by something else. Two potatoes, and then, oh gosh, yeah, something is eating those. 2 eaten potatoes and 2 seed potatoes. Well, there's one. Oh, okay. Kind of small. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Holy cow. There's a good one. That, I think that one's off of this one. Alright, that one's still growing. So we're gonna leave that alone. This is the last one I'm going to do today. Unless I just see some around here that are just completely dead. This was the first red potato plant to come up, and it got huge. So hopefully there will be lots of red potatoes in there. Right up on top of the soil here. Oh my. a good haul. There are ants all over the place. Okay, remember, these were store-bought potatoes that went to seed. Ow, I think I got an ant in my glove. Ugh. Oh wow. Yep, there's some more. Woo! Da 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 da. Okay. Yep, that was a huge plant. We got a bunch of potatoes out of there. Okay. I am calling it because my hand is on fire. I'm sure there's some ants that got in there and bitten me. That's not bad. I'll weigh these up and see how many we got. Okay, here's our little mini haul of potatoes. I don't think that's too bad for, let's see, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 or 5, oops, 4 or 5 plants. Man, those ants have really done me in. Alright, we'll weigh these up and we'll see how much we actually got. Okay, it's the next day. I'm already breathing hard because I've been pulling leaves back. And for people who notice, yes, I'm wearing the same pants I wore yesterday. I just changed my shirt. There you go. Wow, that was an awful big potato plant to have so few potatoes. I was expecting a lot of it. That's barely a pound of potatoes. Well, we grew a lot of plants. We just didn't grow a lot of potatoes. This is very disheartening. Hey, I get a good potato, or what I think, and it's got a daggum bore hole through it. Okay, here's the state of the potato patch. I have dug up everything that looked dead, and things that are flowering, I'm throwing more leaves on top of them. Maybe, I don't know, but the stuff that's died has not produced very much at all. The red potatoes did awesome. The russet and the Kennebecks right now are disappointing. These that are left all have or had white flowers on them, so they're either going to be russets or Kennebecks. So I guess we'll let them stay in the ground another couple of weeks and see what happens. But yeah, these so far. The only reason I got aggressive about getting them was I was pulling out so many that were large, that were rotten, or had been burrowed through by ants or worms. So anyway, yeah, I'm disappointed. I'll get over it. We'll weigh up what we've got, put a total so far. Anyway, that's it. Okay, my other camera died, so I'm using my phone to record this. It's later in the day. I've been up here to pull a bunch of the leaves back so I can hopefully get at these easier. I'm gonna get as many of these as I can that are showing that they're dying. I still have several that are just now flowering, so I'm gonna try not to mess with them. So far, the store-bought red potatoes are the best producers. Not seed potatoes, just regular old store-bought potatoes. Russets, they not doing too well. Okay. I'm wondering, should I just go ahead and take all these? Might as well. Because some of these are something a lot. Okay, here are the potatoes that we harvested yesterday and this morning. I'm going to leave them in these crates to dry for a couple of days. And I will weigh them up. Just guessing, I would say there's probably close to 20 pounds of potatoes. I think that is a fair estimate. We'll see. Which, granted, is probably more than we got last year. And clearly the red potatoes, the red potatoes were ones that we had bought at the grocery store. They had sprouted eyes, so we just cut them up, planted the eyes. These brownish looking ones are the russets that we did the same. The russets from the store were nowhere near as prolific as the red potatoes. And the Kennebecks, those are the really white looking ones. Those were from seed potatoes that I held back from last year. Now, most of what's still in the garden are Kennebec. So hopefully, man, I was hoping for a couple of 100 pounds, but you know, if I get another 10 or 20 pounds of the Kennebecks, I guess I'll be satisfied, I guess. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna go in the house, get something cold to drink, lick my wounds, cry a little bit, then I'll be over it. Alright, done. July 9th. It's been hotter than Hades out here for the past 2 weeks or more. I just haven't gotten around to harvesting these last few plants of potatoes. So, Lord willing, we're going to finish this off today. Wow. What is this stuff all over? Holy cannoli. Seeing that? That is a good sized potato. Have this little leader going over. Guess I'll just keep. And not bad. And again, we have one that is still flowering. Do not get that. That's the one right there that's still flowering. Okay. working our way down the russet line. Well, I wanted to get all this done today, but I'm already overheated, so I'll have to wait till another day. Okay, it's July 19th. I am finally getting around to harvesting the last bit of these potatoes. Let's see what we get. Bunch of little bitties. Okay, we'll move down, see if we can find some more. That's it. That's probably not more than 2 or 3 more pounds. Probably not even that much. Okay. That is it. Alright, we'll collect all these, total them up, see what we got.